dear student, मैं इंसान अली लेक्चर सुभाष देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद. Today in my online class you have to read about tense, and before it in my online classes you have been taught every types of tense, how many types of tense, everything is clear in my previous online class. And in my that online class you have read what is tense, how many types of tense, and every types of tense perhaps you have read. And today you have to read about present indefinite. What is present indefinite? Present current time in Hindi, वर्तमान indefinite uncertain अनिश्चित tense. Those types of sentences who denotes action work in present tense, and that sentence may be uncertain, that sentence is called present indefinite. What is identified? What is recognition? In Hindi, at last in sentence ता है, ती हैं, ते हैं, ते हो, ती हो, etc. If we find at last in Hindi sentence ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ते हो, ती हो, etc., then that sentence will be definitely in present indefinite. So this is the symbol of present indefinite sentence. How we have to translate, we have to solve in Hindi sentence to English. In every tense you will find four sentences: positive, negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative. So this is the symbol. Present indefinite tense, positive sentence. If in Hindi sentence you may find pa, de, ti, hai, then that sentence is definitely present indefinite. And now come to the point. In a singular sentence, in positive sentence, in affirmative sentence, first of all, we have to write subject, and after that verbs first form. And suppose that if subject is singular, then we have to join s or es. And if subject is plural with I, then you have to write only verbs first form. And after that object etc. Suppose that राहुल अमरूद खाता है. This sentence is singular sentence. In this sentence, nothing is found instead of only affirmation. So first of all, we have to write subject, and after then the verbs. It is the verb eat. And here it is clear that if a subject is similar, then we have to add in verbs first form s or es. Then here is Rahul is similar, then we have to join s. And after that we have to join object. And some other examples. Here, first of all, you have to know what is subject. Then here I is subject. Then first of all, we have to write subject. And after then, we have to know about verb. Here, and before it, I have also told you that I and other plural subject. If these types of subject come first, then we do not add s or es after verbs first form. And after that, object. And after then, other words, rail gadi, by train. So in this way we have to solve present indefinite tense positive sentence, and after that present indefinite tense negative sentence. For example, Sarojini Naidu उपन्यास नहीं लिखती हैं. In negative sentence, first of all we have to write subject, and if subject is plural, then we have to add modal auxiliary to, and if subject is singular, then we have to add modal auxiliary does, and after then not, and after then verbs first form, and after then object other words. So here what is subject? Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Here Sarojini Naidu is singular subject, then does not, and after then verbs first form likhna, write उपन्यास के नावेल. And suppose that if subject is plural, for example, वे विद्यालय नहीं जाते हैं. First of all, we have to write subject they, and here they is plural subject. Then we have to join do, and after then not. and after then verbs first part, go to school, and after negative comes interrogative sentence. Before it, you have read that there are two types of interrogative sentence. Yes or no types interrogative sentence and WH type interrogative sentence. And in Hindi, if question word comes first, then by this way we have to solve the problem. If the subject is plural, then we have to write do, and if subject is plural, then we have to write does. And after then subject, and after then verbs first form, object, etc, and at last question mark, as well as क्या महिमा गाना गाती है. This types of interrogative sentence is called yes or no types interrogative sentence. And if in Hindi sentence question word comes first, then these rules may be followed. Here question word is first, then we have to know subject is singular or plural. Here Mahima is singular, then we have to write does. And after then subject, and after then verbs first part, sing. Here object a song. And suppose that if a subject is plural, here subject is plural, then we have to join auxiliary verb do. Do we sing songs? And after the interrogative negative, interrogative negative. If in any present indefinite tense sentence, if question word and also negation word used, then that sentence is called interrogative negative. And if in interrogative negative sentence question word comes first, then first of all, if subject is plural, then we have to write auxiliary verb do, and if subject is plural singular, then we have to write auxiliary verb does. And after then subject, after then not, verbs first form, object, etc, at last question mark. For example, here question word comes first, and after then negation word. Here subject is singular, then first of all we have to write auxiliary verb does, and after then subject, after then not, after then verbs first form, object. does Mona not cook food? And if question word comes in middle order, then we have to join question word first. So in this way, we have to solve again indefinite tense, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and after then interrogative negative sentence. Thank you.